And in our top business story, Dubai private sector companies signaled a positive start to the third quarter of the year, with overall business conditions improving at the fastest pace since March 2015. This was highlighted by a rise in the headline seasonally adjusted Emirates NBD Dubai Economy Tracker Index from 54.6 in June to 55.9 in July. The index, which is a composite indicator designed to give an accurate overview of operating conditions in the non-oil private sector economy, has signaled a recovery in operating conditions in each month since the series record low seen in February. In addition, the latest reading is now back above the long-run survey, the survey average of 55.1. The best-performing subsector monitored by the survey was the wholesale and retail index at 57.3 in July, followed by travel and tourism 55.1 and construction 53.5. In each case, the latest readings were above the crucial 50.0 no change value. The headline Emirates NBD Dubai Economy Tracker Index is derived from individual diffusion indices, which measures changes in output, new orders, employment, suppliers, delivery times, and stocks of purchased goods. The survey covers the Dubai non-oil private sector economy with additional sector data published for travel and tourism, wholesale and retail, and construction. Online classified site Dubizzle has released its second quarter property report, which suggests Dubai's property market is showing signs of bottoming out. Prices per square foot in Dubai were generally flat quarter-on-quarter, although there were variations within individual areas. Prices in Business Bay rose by 3% to 1,519 dirhams per square foot, but fell by 3% in Dubai Marina to 1,625 dirhams per square foot, by 2% at Palm Jumeirah to 1,943 dirhams per square foot, and by 1% in Jumeirah Lake Towers to 1,219 dirhams per square foot. Rents were generally 2% lower across the market. According to officials quoted from Dubizzle, the residential property sale price cycle is almost at a close, adding that they have not witnessed any major shifts in pricing from Q1 to Q2 this year. In Abu Dhabi, however, both sale prices and rentals are showing signs of decline as the market continues to be hit by a lack of confidence following oil price declines and layoffs. Sales prices declined 3% on average. Dubizzle said the cost of living in the capital has increased, with the 3% municipality tax being introduced at a time when salaries were declining in industries that are cutting costs such as oil and gas and hospitality. The Nasdaq Dubai Exchange will open an equity futures market next month to trade single stock futures on the shares of some of the UAE's biggest companies. The introduction of stock futures or agreements to buy or sell shares at an agreed price on a future date could be a major development for equity market in the country, according to local reports, especially in a market where short selling is restricted and the lack of opportunities to hedge has been a concern for foreign investors. The bourse's chief executive has said on Monday that the futures market will provide opportunities to hedge or leverage on the underlying market. Nasdaq Dubai originally launched equity derivatives in 2008, but this coincided with the global financial crisis, and trading failed to gain critical mass. Since then, however, the UAE bourses have attracted more foreign money, while international index compilers upgraded the UAE to emerging market status from frontier market status in May 2014. From September 1st, Nasdaq Dubai will initially trade futures in 10 UAE stocks, which accounted for about 55% of the trade value of all listed equities in the country. Abu Dhabi National Exhibitions Company has reported 1.32 billion dirhams in direct and indirect economic impact to the Abu Dhabi economy during the first half of 2016. The company said it drew more than 812,000 visitors to its conferences and exhibitions at Abu Dhabi National Exhibition Center and Al Ain Convention Center in H1. In a statement, the company said it hosted 34 exhibitions as well as 124 conferences and events, creating more than 7,000 job opportunities in supporting sectors of business tourism in the first 6 months of the year. In May, Abu Dhabi was ranked 73rd in the annual ranking of the world's top destinations for meetings and congresses released by the International Congress and Convention Association, ICCA, 35 places ahead of its 2014 ranking.